I start every morning with a cup of coffee or two and half. For breakfast, I've been loving these healthy banana oat cups. I usually make a batch a week. I'll link the recipe below, but I've also done a video on these in the past. They are so delicious and my kids love them too. I've been really into making sourdough bread still. I've tried a new recipe this week from the perfect loaf so I can make and have it with dinner tonight. I try to drink about 70 ounces of water a day, and I take my vitamins, a mix of vitamin C, a women's multivitamin, and extra iron. I ended up having a slice of bread for snack, so I wasn't super hungry at lunchtime, but I whipped together this arugula salad with balsamic dressing, and I used leftover barbecue chicken from the night before. For dinner, I wanted something easy and wholesome, so I ended up roasting this whole chicken, which ended up being so flavorful. I did roasted broccoli and sweet potato and served it along with the homemade bread. I ended the day with a mini scoop of Trader Joe's cookie butter ice cream on a good old sugar cone. This ice cream is my absolute favorite, and it was a great end to my day.